Carl, we believe that, our success is the contribution of the whole team. We can call it success naman na siguro, no? It allows us to prepare for what's next. And what's next is not get nice. What's up guys? Nandito kami ngayon sa Okada.
To celebrate our first anniversary, guys!
Yun, kasama natin yung Get Nice team. Siyempre.
Get nice pa rin ba?
Abangan nyo guys. Tara sa akin.
Guys! Let's go!
Anything else, siyempre, kape muna tayo, diba? Bali sarado yung Get Nice store ngayon kasi nandito kami. Sorry sa mga customers natin. Pero yun yan, kahit sarado, wala tayong benta today, diba? Important is the team is having fun.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
20 lang!
One, 2, 3.
One of our VIP customers, nagbigay pa sa atin ng parang exclusive lang to eh. Kasi naka-Okada na cake, di ba? Okada cake guys, so tingnan natin guys. May Okada guys, so tingnan mo. Zoom mo. May Okada pa na logo. Yun. Thank you again, Miss Jeanette and Sir Perry. Grabe, naging family na din namin since VIP customers namin. Then, lagi silang bumibili sa atin yung mga latest pairs. So, thank you again, Miss Jeanette and Sir Perry.
So guys, since anniversary nga ng Get Nice, we're here. And the purpose of this is, of course, to say thank you sa mga employees natin, sa team ng Get Nice. Kasi syempre, as store owners kami ni Carl, we believe that, our success is primarily contribution of the whole team. Hindi lang kaming dalawa, pero lahat yan. So, this is our way of saying thank you for 1 year of, I can call it success naman na siguro, no?
Success na eh.
Successful naman, no? Kasi nung una nakita namin si Fran sa kalsada, okay naman yung nalabasan. Lumaki na siya. So, proud kami sa Get Nice. Talaga nakakatulong kami sa mga, meron pa nga isa dyan. Nasa yung isa.
Naalala bro, dati yung nagbukas kami ng Get Nice store, pag ganyan namin, may naiiwang bata.
Nalabas pa pet niya na. Nalabas pa
Nakabaliktad. Ayun yung bat niya.
Ibalat sa pet yan eh.
Nakatapos lang ito nga eh.
Nabunot pa, umiilang.
Seriously, the reason why we do these things, and I think it's important that we stay away from this work, is, sabi nga, sa Buddhism kasi, hindi kasabihan sila eh. Alam mo, sabi nila na, if you chase butterflies, you will chase your whole life. But if you make a garden, the butterflies will come to you. Ang logic kasi nun, sabi ng Buddhist, is invest in yourself and success will come. Kung gusto mo ng Chrome Hearts, kung gusto mo ng, ano pa yung mamahala ng LV, Human Made, ganyan, tapos ngayon hindi mo afford, then don't try to buy those things. Try to invest in yourself and how can you be a person that deserves those things, di ba? Invest on your skills, your abilities para mas mag-earn ka so you can wear whatever it is that you want, di ba? And itong mga moments na ganito, to reflect, to spend time with your team, is very important para we can ground ourselves and we understand nasa na kami, ano yung kailangan namin gawin, ano yung mga natutunan and lessons namin for 1 year. So it allows us to prepare for what's next. And what's next is not Get Nice, it's Prism! Sa kababakan niya guys, yung bagong pangalan natin, Prism na. Yan. Let's go! Prism!
Sir, drip check na.
Drip check?
Yes.
Sige, Carlo. Pati ba naman dito, mag-drip check tayo?
Magsisiling kami. O sige na, eto, Get Nice Cup. Okay. First time ko magsuot nito guys.
Ano ba yan?
Warmer lang.
Di ba yung susunod ng tricycle rider?
Kung ano, tawag nito compression sleeves, gano'n.
Para saan? Para saan?
Hindi, ginagaya ko lang si Travis. Kumari lang. Pero hindi, wala lang pa. Etos lang to pa. Ano naman, yung shirt natin. Travis Fragments guys, available sa Get Nice for 8.5 depending on size. Pants natin, di ba? Nahihilig ako lately sa Nike pants eh. Ito, available sa Get Nice for siguro mga nasa starts at 4.5 depending on size din. Pero syempre, hindi natin makalimutan yung pants natin guys. Yan, Abundant Green, Cloud Nova Form 2, available sa Get Nice din for 15,000 pesos.
Okay, ako naman. Chrome Hearts cap, 45,000. LV Polo Black, this is for 80,000. Pants Mango. Tapos, for the shoes, we have the Cloth Timberlands collaboration. This is priced, I think, 10,500 pataas, depends on your size. And for the watch, we have the Rolex right here.